Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this house build. Let's get started. So we're gonna start this video by changing some of the layout on this building. For example, let's go to level 1, and then here I'm going to select this grid line number 1 and change this to 4000. And then after that, I'm going to push this into the midpoint and just move everything along. The reason that I'm doing that because I noticed that um, the spacing here is not good, especially for the washroom. So I'm gonna move this to the end by typing MV and selecting all of this. Of course, we're going to move this cooktop as well. And actually, I don't like the label, so I'm gonna edit, and then you just need to uncheck this show label right here. Even the fridge, just edit type, uncheck this, click apply, and then OK. So now that's good. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm going to remove this. So I'm basically deleting this room right here. Release embedded, and then now we could just delete all of this. And then of course we have some curtain wall here, and we can select this, edit boundary, and then just delete. We don't need to do anything else. We could just move this one all along right here, TR, trim and extend. Click finish after you've completed there, and then you could just delete some of this, and we could just what I'm planning to do is I want this cube like hanging over, and then I'm going to put the pull under it so it will look amazing. And then here at the back, we added 500 millimeters. We're going to pull this back as well, so AL, this wall, and then select that wall, so everything is aligned all together right there. And then we're gonna fix this one right here basically. So let's go back to level 1, and then we will have an exit right here as well, or we could add an exit on this side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this boundary wall, so here we could just put probably around 5,000. So we have a backyard, and also we will have a pole right here. We could extend our grid lines like so that it's not on the way. So we have a backyard right here, and then we're going to add a pole going all over right here. I'm going to extend this one as well, roughly around, let's make it 5,500 from this wall, so we have enough. And then here it's just floor number 3, and we're going to change that a bit because we don't need all of this to be grass. I want this one to be obviously what we wanted, so the grass part probably up to here only, so we're going to edit that. And then here now we could extend this. We need to know, so click on tab, 1600. So now I'm going to edit this and then change one of them to 1600. And then as you can see, it will be at the right. So I'm just gonna move this and then pull it right there. And then here, move this right here, and then don't forget to add a detailed line. We can put thin line. So thin line, and then this will represent the countertop. And then also, let's check out, we can move this one as well. Give it some space right here. We have enough space right now. We could make either an opening here or an opening on this side. Either way, it will be nice. But I think an opening here will have a nice a nice addition to this setup. So now I'm gonna go right here. This one change as well with the right size, and we just need to move it to the corner. And then right here, move it to the corner as well. And then let's not forget all of this to be moved there, and then adding detailed line. There we go. And then we have our wall right here. And what we could do now is to build up this area. I want to show what this one will be. We could just delete that, and we could have this one go up a bit. Align this AL. So we have that one over on the top of that. And then this is just decorative pieces right here. What I want to do is to have or to add something at the something that goes around right here. It doesn't need to be big, but I just want to wrap around here so that it looks nice. And then I would like to create this one now. So let's go to level 1, and I know we have this one, but we're going to create another wall, and then edit, sorry, a standard wall basically, not this one. So let's choose the interior wall number 1, edit, duplicate, and we want full wall. Apply, edit, and then here we could change it to a tile. And then ceramic tile. We haven't used it, so might as well use it. Okay, and then now we could just add. I want it to be base constraint level 1 to level 1, and then offset it. So we need to fix our elevation first. I'm going to add the pool here, so I could just have an add level. Maybe 800 is good enough. I'm gonna put it full. And then now we have the pool area, and then we could just add the proper wall. I'm going to make this a little bit thinner, so make it 100 is good enough. And then now we need a base constraint of level, so this will be top and this will be base, and then we just need to add the pool right here. Don't worry about it, it's gonna create something. It will tell you that something is wrong, obviously because everything is overlapping. I'm going to give this one this massive pool right here that is overhanging, and it will be quite nice to do it. So now this one change, I want it to be like this, and then I want to see it, so that's good. I'm going to edit this boundary now. This is just the grass part. We could change that as well. I'm probably going to move this one right here. And then I'm gonna move something like this right here as well. Trim and extend. And then we'll probably have some grass on this side as well. So let me finish that. I want to see, maybe I'm going to change the view range here to unlimited so that I could see everything else. I'm going to put it right there at the back there. I think that's good enough. And then obviously we will have grass and then some stone or something like a concrete, and I just want everything to look nice, so I'm editing it a little bit. So now I'm going to add another floor. Edit type, duplicate, this will be floor number 5. Edit, this won't be grass. I'm gonna choose one of the concrete right here. And then, sorry, this one should be floor number 3, and then I'm gonna add another floor. So this one should be 5. Okay, and now let's trim everything so that nothing is overlapping. Click finish. Let's see it. This one needs to go around the pool. So I'm gonna use this so that it goes around there. What I'm gonna do now is select this pool and then top offset around probably 50 only, so that it's just above it a little bit. So now after that, I'm going to create a model in place, generic model. I'm gonna create the floor of the pool, extrusion, this will be tile, and then choose the ceramic tile again. I'm gonna add this one first, click finish. go to 3D, and then just pull it down. And then after that, go back here, click finish again, and then create another one. Model in place, generic model. This will be for the water. There we go. Add it, and then just create this one right here. Click finish, look at it at 3D, pull it down a little bit, and then pull this one down a little bit as well. There we go. And then click finish. So now we have our pool. We created our pool. We have a grass right here around. Then this is something that we could extend if we want to. I think I want this to extend because if you notice, I want this to overhang. And I know it's something amazing actually if we could just overhang it. So overhang it a bit more. So here, maybe I'm going to add another one. So I'm gonna copy this, move it, and decide I'm gonna add D or E, sorry, and then I'm going to extend it all the way there. And then I'm just going to add one more right here, 1500 from D. So now I'm going to extend this all the way right here. And then extend this one up to D. So ED, and then why not extend this one as well? That's our design right there. And then this will be our bed right here, bedroom. This is more than enough space. And then extend this right there. Extend also this. So we have our at least some space for a walk-in closet. And then this we could extend as well. The reason for that is we want another one. So CO, because this is our master's bedroom, it's just a right thing to add two sink. That's something that is new right now. Also, we need to add in the side right here. I'm going to change this part right here. I think this is too much. To add right here. CS, add it only on this part. Actually, the location is not that good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to CS right here. add it onto the entrance, and then move this right there. I think that's much better having it there. And then we just need a smaller one. Edit, duplicate, and we could just change this to 800. So now CS on that, and then just add it right about here. So we have a closet right here that is much better. CS, and then we could just have closet right here. And just delete this right here. I think that's too much, and we can still have a double onto this part right here. And then this one is still queen, because this space is a wasted space right here. So what we can do is we can basically move this one right here, delete that, move this one right here, and then now we could have a proper entrance right here. And then we could extend this one as well. So now we have a bigger and then we could just change this to the standard and then just add it right there. And then here CS add, or this one CS added on this side with that orientation. And then go to insert, load family, and we need to have furniture, table or nightstand table, open, CM, add it to one of the sides. This one we could add it on each end. We could just move this one. And then load family again, go to lighting, and then architecture, internal, and then we could have to add table lamp, standard CM, and then just add it right about there. So now everything is clean up. I think it looks much better. This one was changed, so let's make it 700 as well, AL. This is 700, and then this one is something about like that as well. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.